If you need to cancel your Vrbo subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option that says Account or Settings in the menu, which will direct you to your account management options. Step 3. Find subscription information. In the account settings, locate the section related to subscriptions or billing. This section will provide details about your current subscription plan and payment information. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Look for an option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or something similar. Click on this option to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide feedback or a reason for cancellation. Ensure you complete all steps until you receive a confirmation that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Vrbo customer support for help.